So we just got to our hotel and we are in Kentucky and we are going down to Sea Island, Georgia, but tomorrow we are going to Atlanta, I think. So this is going to be the road trip part of the vlog. This is vlog number 2, and then the next vlog is going to be my spring break vlog. Let me show you a little tour of her room. So I was going to eat breakfast here, but I guess I missed breakfast kind of, but I don't really want to eat, like they have like a lot of food. I just wanted like cereal or something, so I think we're going to go through McDonald's. So that's where my brother wants to go. And we can get some food from there, and then we are driving to Atlanta today. That's going to be fun. Atlanta, Georgia. Owen. My brother. We're just sitting in the lobby. We're waiting for my dad and my other brother to come downstairs and finish packing up.
Hi. Hi guys.
We stopped at McDonald's. For waterfalls right now, right, Owen?
Yeah.
Because like in the rocks. Ooh, I just saw one. There's one right there.
Oh, a waterfall! I found one.
Yeah. Ooh. Show you guys a busy.
Detroit, Cleveland, woohoo! Hockey Pistons against the Tennessee Cavaliers. Woo.
We just got to the Tennessee rest stop. You're at Panda Express now. You have no nails?
Put it back together.
What does yours say, Owen?
Whoa, his is the long one. Wait, you kind of get two. You get two. Which is weird. So the first have the makings of a. You're the makings of a leader. Take charge. That's the truth. You have the passion and ability to accomplish things great and small.
You were hot? Is it hot, Owen?
Daddy, I took mine off. Without even trying to get my seatbelt off. Hi guys, I'm Owen Center.
Why is my camera focusing here?
Thing out.
Alright, bye.
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 Look at this damn Burger King, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A.
Hi, Shoto.
Hi. Hi guys. Hi.
We are 2 minutes from our hotel right now.
And place with sushi.
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 Just got to our hotel. Here we go. We are going out to dinner now. We're gonna go get like breakfast for dinner, or like a salad or something.
It's just a nicer version. Like it's like that. You know, it's like the same thing. You know that Macy's thing.
So tired. I think I'm gonna get waffles to eat.
I'll do that, Daddy.
Oh, and you're gonna sleep with Maggie tonight.
Yeah, sleeping with me.
You can get a visit yet.
We're going back to the hotel now. I want to walk around the hotel room, so that's what I'm doing. Right, so I'm gonna go down to floor 1, and then I'm gonna go back up to floor 4, and then go back to floor 3. You guys, it's not going. The elevator's not moving. It's not. Dude. I think, guys, if I get stuck. Wait a second. There is a pool here. Most people in the pool. But that's why I came. That's why I really wanted to look for. I wanted to see if there's a pool. There is a pool, and there's a fitness center. But like, it's so weird. It looks like a hotel that I see it in Chicago when I was in like 8th grade. Which is like weird. So there are people in the pool, but I kind of do want to just show you what the pool looks like. Where's the elevators? So we are leaving now. We just went to breakfast and I totally forgot to vlog that. But say hi. Nick and I are walking downstairs. We're getting in the elevator.
Now that's actually a little funny. No, I'm saying
Drop your bag. Drop both bags.
So we have 3.5 hours till we get to the island. Laughing at me. Who's laughing at me? Hey, boy. Owen, will you do it? Guys, there's like a loose dog and it's so cute, but I don't know where it is. I mean, I don't know whose it is.
They have it. They have it.
They do?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Look at her.
I don't see the dog. Oh, there he is! Oh!
to the satellite pop station.
No.
Daddy got us! Mexican Sprites, Mexican Cokes!
I dropped my phone. Nick, that video, I had that.
Raspberry.
Look, my dad gets Mexican, California, raspberry flavored Coke.
It doesn't taste like raspberry. Maggie has a legit raspberry drink.
We just stopped at the gas station because this kid
Hey Siri.
almost wet his pants. I'm going to end the vlog here, but I am about to start my Sea Island spring break vlog. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna start filming that for the rest of the week now. That'll be part 3 of spring break. And so yeah, this is the end of the road trip. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys later in my next vlog. Bye!